modulus inequalities. Solve the inequality. The modulus of 2x plus 3 is greater than 3 times the modulus of x plus 2. So the first step is to treat the inequality as an equation and solve the equation. Now to solve the modulus equation, for this kind of form, just keep the left hand side always positive and the right hand side positive and negative. So when it's positive, we have 3x plus 6. We subtract 2x from both sides and we subtract 6 from both sides. We get x equals minus 3, and from minus 3 times x we get minus 3x, minus 3 times 2 we get minus 6. We can add 3x to both sides and subtract 3 from both sides. We get 5x equals minus 9. Divide by 5, we get the other solution. So there's no need to check this time because we have modulus in both sides. So obviously if you plug in, they will agree. So we do have the two solutions. Okay, so now we put the solutions on a number line. So the solutions are actually the critical values of the inequality. So for the inequality, we use a number line using the solutions. So now we have 3 intervals to the left of minus 3, in the middle between minus 3 and minus 9 over 5, and to the right of minus 9 over 5. We have 3 possible intervals for the final answer. To check which interval we have to use, just plug in something random in each interval. So any number smaller than minus 3, we can use minus 10. If you plug in minus 10 here and here, see what you get. So use a calculator, use the ABS, absolute value function, in the calculator. On the left hand side you get 17, on the right hand side you get 24, and 17 is smaller than 24. Since we are looking for greater than, of course 17 is not greater than 24, which means the left interval is impossible. We cannot use that interval. We do the same thing with minus 2. Plug in minus 2, plug in minus 2, you will get something bigger on the left, which means we can use the middle interval. And for the right interval, we plug in something bigger than minus 9 over 5, like 0. Plug in 0, plug in 0, we get something bigger on the right, which means we cannot use the right interval. So that means the final answer is the middle interval between the critical values. Alright, I'll see you again next time.